morning, everyone. This is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. In today's presentation, we'll be covering two important aspects: 2021 कैसा गया and what is the outlook for 2022 in most of the currencies and Indian equity market. So let me first start with DXY. DXY means dollar index. As expected by CR Forex research team, dollar index bottomed out at 89 in the year 2021 and it moved towards 96 level. There were two main reasons for such a move. One, US economy was doing extremely well in terms of growth and inflation. All data were positive. Second, in the last part of the year, Fed finally accepted that inflation is a concern for US economy and that they have to do tapering at a faster pace, because of which dollar index moved. Now let us see what will happen in year 2022. In the year 2022, US economy will continue to outperform other DM market. Strong, robust growth रहेगा, unemployment levels lower रहेंगे, and Fed have to do more increase in interest rate. जो उन्होंने फोरकास्ट किया 3 इंक्रीज करेंगे, उससे हमको लगता है कि ज़्यादा करेंगे. दे विल प्रॉब्ली डू 4 rate hikes in a year, because of which the dollar index from 96 level will move towards 100 level. That is the first target. Second target is 102 level. जो डॉलर इंडेक्स का सपोर्ट रहेगा, it will be close to 93, 80 and 95 levels. We are not expecting beyond that. Now let us move to the second pair, which is Euro USD. In the year 2021, Euro has fallen by 7.5%. One of the favorite and most money-making research by CR Forex team. In the year 2022, the entire Eurozone is facing two bigger problems. One is stagflation. इसका मतलब है कि they have lower growth and higher inflation, because of which their central bank ECB will not be able to increase the interest rate. Apart from these two issues, they have other issues like political crisis and energy crisis. Because of all of these reasons, we expect Euro USD to come down towards 1.07 level and 1.05 level. So someone can sell Euro USD with a stop loss of 1.1650 for a target of 1.07 and 1.05 levels. Now let us move to the third currency, which is GBP USD. GBP USD had a better year as compared to Euro. It has only fallen by 2%. But in the year 2022, we expect GBP USD to be more volatile as compared to Euro USD. UK is facing 3 major crises. पहला crisis है stagflation. उनका growth कम है and inflation ज़्यादा है. In that, their central bank went ahead and have increased the interest rate while continuing to do tapering, while continuing to doing bond buying program. It is one of the biggest policy error by any central bank which we have observed in last 50 years, because of which there will be a deteriorating situation in UK. Apart from that, it is also facing energy crisis and political crisis. With this, we expect GBP USD to move towards 1.30 level and 1.27 levels. So someone can sell GBP USD with a stop loss of 1.3550 level for a target of 1.30 and 1.27 levels. Now let us move to the Indian market. One of the most favorite question asked by all my relatives, all my clients, anywhere I go, कि भाई market નું શું લાગે છે? In the year 2021, Indian equity market have outperformed all emerging market countries. Indian equity market have rose by 23%. But in the year of 2022, first 3 to 6 months, we are not that bullish on Indian equity market. We expect Indian equity market to come down towards 15,000 level. Yes, you are listening me correct. 15,000 levels. Post UP election, we have to review the position. But for the next 3 to 6 months, equity market will be in a downtrend. Probably 15,000 to 15,500 we can expect. Now let us move to the USD INR pair. Let me show you an interesting chart. If you see the chart, USD INR had a fantastic year. It had given chance to exporters also, and it has given chance to importers also. 75.5 भी गया, 73 का लो भी मारा, and it has moved very well in the range of 4 rupees. The entire credit goes to RBI. When the flows were there, it has absorbed all dollars. When the currency was moving higher because of Fed tapering announcement or any kind of concern, they were on a selling side. So they have managed the currency very well. Now let us see what do we expect in the year 2022. In the year 2022, we are expecting 73.5 and 74 will act as a very strong support, and the currency will move towards 77.5 to 78 levels. The depreciation might happen in the second part of the year. There are three important reasons for the same. पहला, Fed hawkish है, so they will increase the interest rate and dollar index will move higher. So we'll have a negative impact on all emerging market currencies. Second, जो trade deficit है, it will continue to widen as the economy is opening up. Third, there are talks that there will be inflows in the market like LIC का inflow आएगा या bond market inclusion होगा. But RBI ने last year $38 billion we have received, out of which 32 billion was observed by RBI. So RBI will continue to buy at lower levels. So 73.5, 74 is acting as a strong support. Biases is towards 77.5 and 78 levels. In dollar rupee pair, as we are getting moves on both the side, upside and downside, it is very important that we hedge at right level with the right policy. With this, I will end 2021. Jai Hind, Namaskar. फिर मिलेंगे in the year 2022. Happy New Year to all of you.